Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2013 Mazda 3 Sport. This one is white. Underneath it's a 2-liter 4-cylinder with 155 horsepower. This one has 16-inch wheels. Cloth interior. Mazda3 badging. Clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, power windows, steering wheel controls, radio, power keys for the radio, climate control, automatic transmission. This Mazda has 91,252 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Mazda 3, visit us at feldmanimports.com.